All right, we got our waffle iron heating up. I have this cornbread mix. We're gonna put that into the bowl. We're gonna add a 1/3 cup of milk and 1 egg, preferably a colored one. They taste so much better. And then we're just gonna give that a nice stir. We're gonna mix all this together, okay? All right, once that's all mixed together, we're gonna set it to the side. You need to let it rest because this recipe won't work unless you make it rest, okay? And make sure you get all those clumps out of that mixture. Let's open our waffle iron up, okay? Now remember that's been preheating. We're gonna add a little bit of oil. Next, we're gonna add some Wolf brand chili right on top. Kind of spread that around. And then we're gonna add some cheese. Oh man, now that cheese is just gonna help kind of, I guess, keep all this together. It's gonna be good. All right, and then on top of that, we've got our cornbread mixture. We're gonna add a little bit on top of that. Just like that. Add a little more oil on top, and then we're gonna close it. Okay, so that cooked about 3 to 5 minutes. What we're gonna do is go ahead and take this off and put it onto a plate. Now you could add less or more chili if you wanted to. Okay, look at that. Woo! We're gonna add a little bit of butter on top. Okay, so this time I'm gonna put cheese first. Just like this, all around. And then I'm gonna add just a little bit of chili. And then we're gonna add that cornbread. That way we can sandwich in that chili. But hey y'all, look at this. It's gonna be good. Ooh, look at that. Oh my goodness, that looks so good. All right, let's take this off. Look at that. Oh my gosh, steaming hot. Okay, we're gonna close that now. Now we're gonna add some butter on top. Yo, that is gonna be so good. Now I'm gonna add some hot honey. You could add regular mustard if you wanted to, but I need a little kick. Whoa, look at that. Dang, that looks so good. Let's try this. Okay, this is gonna be so good. It crisped up that chili like crazy, and the cheese just melted. It's so crispy. Let's taste this. What? Oh my gosh. Man, that is amazing. You can, my waffle iron is still like steaming over here, but dang, that is like fall in your mouth. The chili, the cheese, and that cornbread on top. You gotta try this. All right, guys, check out this recipe right here.